Go to the Templates menu under the Invoices Builder module. You will have 10 templates available to use, and you can create other templates by click on the Add Template button. In the Building Template page, we have 7 sections: General Setting, Header Section, Sender and Receiver Information, Item Table Section, Invoice Total Information Section, Bottom Information Section, and Footer Section. First, at General Setting, you need to enter the template name, select the background color, and choose Rotate Pages as Landscape or Portrait. In the Header section, you can choose an arbitrary color in the Row Color field. It is used as the background color for the header section. And enter the number of columns to display information about logo, QR code, title, and invoice information, up to 4. You can show or hide the required fields by checking or unchecking the checkboxes in front. Then enter the column position where they should display. Adjust the size, choose text alignment, text color, font size, and so on. Look at the preview on the right side of the screen. You will clearly see the changes when changing the parameters of fields such as Show on Column, Text Alignment, Logo Width, Logo Height, Font Size, Font Style, and Text Color of Logo, QR Code, and Title. You can choose the information to display in the Invoice Information column. You can also add other custom fields for invoice information by selecting existing fields or creating new fields. If the existing fields are not the ones you need, create a new field by entering the field name and field label. Then select the newly added field and you can enter the value for it. If you want to use an available field, please check the checkbox in front of the Select an Available Field option. Below will display the fields created in previous templates. Next, in the Sender and Receiver Information section, select the appropriate color at the Row Color field. In this section, you can hide or show sender information and receiver information and update the column position where they should show. You can choose which fields to display for sender information and receiver information by click on the gear icon, and you can update the text color, font size, font style and text alignment for each field. This section also allows you to create custom fields and choose a color for each column to make them stand out more. Next, in the item table section, please select the background color for the column header and select the desired text color, then choose font size, font style and text alignment for thread. Striped row is used to configure odd and even row colors. Uncheck striped row to not distinguish the color between odd and even rows. Next, select the columns to display in the item table section. Click the gear icon to update the column order, text color, font size, font style and text alignment for each field. Next, I would swap the order of the image and item name columns. First, I will check the order number of the item name and image columns. Then I swap the order of the unit and quantity columns at the order column field. As you can see, the item name column has moved before the image column. You can create additional columns for the item table section at column setting. Enter the field name, field label, and value in turn. You can also define the formula for each custom field by selecting options from the combo box formula. Then click on the Add button. Click on the checkbox in front of the newly added column so that it displays in the item table section, and you can update other information of this column if necessary. In the invoice total information section, you can choose the background color for it and fill in the number of columns for this section, up to a maximum of 4. But I recommend that you do not change the number of columns because it will cause non-standard formatting. And it is also possible to hide or show the necessary fields. Similar to the above, you can also update the label content, order column, text color, font size, font style and text alignment for each field. We can also create custom fields and define formulas for them. Check the checkbox in front of the Label A field to enable it to display in the Invoice Total Information section. Update necessary information such as formula, order column, value, text color, font size, font style, text alignment. In the bottom information section, you can set the background color and number of columns for this section. Then choose the information to be displayed and update the label content, and then add the necessary custom fields. Finally, you can set up settings like background color and number of columns in the footer section. Enable the term condition display and enter information, such as content, order column, text color, font size, font style and text alignment. and proceed to add the necessary custom fields for this section. Then press Add to save this custom field. Similar to the above, we also enable this field and enter the information for it. Finally, we review the template and click Save.